Namaste friends, welcome to Vagarata. Navaratri third day, that is Chandragantha Devi Avatara. We are going to know more about Chandragantha Devi Avatara in this video. So let us move on to the video. She is the married form of Ma Parvati. After getting married to Lord Shiva, goddess Mahagauri started adorning her forehead with half Chandra, and due to which Ma Parvati was known as Ma Chandragantha, a symbol of peace, serenity and prosperity. Ma Chandragantha mounts on the tigress, has 3 eyes and carries Trishul, Gada, sword and Kamandal in her 4 left hands, and keep the 5th hand in Varada Mudra. She is depicted with 10 hands and carries lotus flower, arrow, dhanush and japamala in her 4 right hands, and keep the 5th right hand in Abhaya Mudra. She establishes justice and gives her devotees the courage and strength to fight challenges. Her appearance may be a source of power which is always busy killing and suppressing the bad and witch. However, for her devotees, Ma is serene, gentle and peaceful. By worshipping Ma Chandragantha, you will open the doors to get respect, fame and glory. Ma also helps you attain spiritual enlightenment. Her idol, which symbolizes both beauty and bravery, gives you the strength to keep the negative energy away and repels all the troubles from your life. It is believed that the planet Shukra is governed by Ma Chandragantha. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, it's bye and namaste from Rajeshwari, Vagarata. So hope you all like, share and comment and subscribe to Vagarata. See you then.